We had a machine in one of our other facilities that had a pretty catastrophic failure. It went out of commission.
We actually called Komori, and at that point in time, lead times in the industry were pretty long. And so we told Komori our problem, and we expected Komori would say, we can get you a press in 6 months, we can get you a press in 9 months, and that was going to be a problem for our business.
Now 2 conversations started to take place. Komori was there, they were there to support us to fix this piece of equipment for sure. But in the background, we started talking about what are the different things we can do to get this machine out of here and maybe get a new machine in.
And Komori said, hey, I think we might have a press. It's coming off the line that a customer might trade and give you that press, and let us make a phone call and see if we can help you out. Within 24 hours, we heard from Komori, and they said, we'll sell you the press, and we'll ship it next week, and you'll be able to get that press in 30 days or so. Within 60 days of actually the failure, we had a press on our floor running.
So Komori's more than a valuable partner. They're an integral part of our company.